wishing you a day of vibrant health and a heart full of inspiration. It's a joy to have you here as we explore the art of the repurposed. There's a special kind of soul in a garden that features objects with a past life. Today we're diving into unexpected farmhouse decor, where old musical instruments, vintage bicycles, and even kitchen enamelware become the stars of the show. Join us as we learn to see the beauty in the perfectly imperfect and turn your outdoor space into a creative sanctuary. Imagine walking into a quiet corner of a garden and finding an old, weathered cello or a rusted trumpet resting against a tree. Instead of notes, it produces life. Moss creeps along the strings, and tiny succulents peek out from the sound holes. There is a profound poetry in seeing an object designed for sound find a second life in the silence of nature. It's a visual melody that reminds us that even when a song ends, the beauty remains, turning a simple garden bed into a stage for the extraordinary. There is something whimsical about a bed in a garden. Imagine an antique iron bed frame, its white paint chipped and its scrolls rusted, standing tall amidst a sea of climbing roses. This isn't for sleeping but for dreaming. The roses wrap themselves around the cold metal, eventually turning the frame into a living floral canopy. It creates a dreamy focal point that suggests the garden itself is a place of rest, turning the boundary of your yard into a fairy tale gateway. An old bicycle leaning against a fence suggests a traveler who has finally found a place to rest. Imagine a vintage cruiser, its basket overflowing with vibrant petunias and ivy trailing from the handlebars. It adds a sense of movement and wanderlust to a stationary landscape. It feels as though the bike has just ridden through a meadow and carried the best parts of the field back home with it, bringing a touch of nostalgic charm and a sense of playfulness to any farmhouse lawn. The farmhouse kitchen has a soul of its own, and sometimes that soul spills out into the garden. Imagine a collection of chipped blue and white enamel teapots, basins, and colanders scattered across a wooden deck, filled with bright red geraniums or delicate lobelia. These found objects bring a hard-working domestic warmth to the outdoors. They reflect the history of family meals and quiet mornings, proving that the most mundane kitchen tools can become the most vibrant garden vessels. A heavy cast-iron clawfoot bathtub is a grand statement in a backyard. Imagine it sitting in a sun-drenched clearing, no longer filled with water, but with a lush explosion of ferns and hostas. The contrast between the industrial cold white porcelain and the soft organic green of the leaves is breathtaking. It's an over-the-top piece of decor that brings a sense of Victorian luxury and unexpected humor to the garden, turning a functional object into a botanical masterpiece. A window frame hanging from a tree branch or mounted on a fence provides a frame for nature itself. Imagine an old wooden sash, its glass long gone, acting as a living portrait. As you look through the empty panes, you see the garden from a new perspective. It adds a layer of depth and mystery to a small space, suggesting that there is always more to see if you just look through the right lens. It's a simple rustic trick that turns a flat wall into a gallery. There is a rugged, unexpected beauty in a tire that has been given a new purpose. Stacked high and painted in soft, muted tones, old tires become sturdy, architectural planters for deep-rooted plants like ornamental grasses or sprawling sweet potato vines. They bring an industrial chic vibe to the farmhouse garden, proving that with a little bit of color and a lot of imagination, even the most unnatural objects can be harmonized with the earth. Leaving this world of upcycled beauty, we carry away a renewed sense of what is possible. These surprising materials prove that a garden isn't just about the plants, it's about the spirit we bring to the soil. May your own backyard be a place where history, nature, and art meet in perfect harmony. We look forward to seeing you in our next story. Until then, stay healthy, stay peaceful, and keep dreaming in the dirt.